Oh, you're dying. So you have your wife here? Where is your wife? Can you wipe her away? Your wife is so beautiful. You know, you are so lucky. Yeah. I think both of you are lucky, and I am gay. So, you lucky and me gay. Huh? Yeah. I think that's okay. You know what, sir? This time, we will just invite you to be here and to enjoy the night. So, at least in USA, you can't really have this kind of community. But this time, we want you to feel what is the Filipino community by doing such thing. So, I'm gonna call your partner right now. Oh, she is the most beautiful tonight. Yeah, she's the most beautiful. Do you know Shamsi? Sup-supa. Oh, you don't know Shamsi. So, this time, if you can say that it's not really fun in the Philippines, this time, with your partner, you can say that it's more fun in the Philippines. So, I'm gonna call her. Chokoy! Chokoy! This is a half dog and half human. Uy! Your partner, your grandmother. Yeah. Give her respect, give her respect. Yeah. Ang ginagigay na buong ginagabot ni mo. We're gonna do tonight, I'm gonna sing. While I'm singing, oh no, there's a guy. When I touch you anywhere in your body, you have to touch mine too. If I touch you here, you will touch me. Yeah. So just tukar na gano'n din, play na din so. Come on with me. 1,
Nakahilo ka tao.
follow me. din na ako din.
Thank you so much, PFP. Thank you so much, Mr. Shifted Person. Ano naman po sa Mr. Maraming salamat din ako sa mga mahulog sa very gay. Kaya ito nag-US mo. Very gay guy. Thank you so much, Steve Harvey. Goodbye to you, Steve Harvey. Luna. Karoon, this Friday si Chelsea. Mga bata atras po, hindi na natin next couple of hours.